Our company has a national-level high-pressure casting or D center, and we are currently the only company that has obtained this center in China. This video shows our mold development process. Mold engineer scanning the product samples or molds provided by customer. The product data will be visually presented on the computer. Then engineer will do reverse drawing on computer, draw standard mold, and then perform CNC machining. By drawing 3D files, programming and processing, one person can operate 2 CNC machines, which improves work efficiency and speeds up development progress.